You probably know that stock market just crashed. Hello, today is June 11th, 2020, and it looks like second wave down of great market crash just started. If you don't know yet, the stock market has crashed hard today. S&P 500 minus 5.9%, Dow Jones minus 6.9%, and Nasdaq minus 5.3% in one day. Let's have a closer look at it right now. Really? Another stock market crash video? You have a few of these already on the subject. And yes, well, that's how stock market behaves in 2020. Ups and downs like never before. I cannot do anything with it. For some people that brings great opportunity. For others, great depression. Which side are you now? Just take a look at the last 3 months on the market. S&P 500, which is the main indicator of overall market performance, gained 45% since its bottom at the end of March 2020. Last time it was at that price of $2,200 in December 2016. So it took 4 years for it to gain 45%, and now it took 3 months only. Also, S&P 500 returned to the same height as it was before the first wave down. Honestly, this all doesn't make sense. If you take a look at technical analysis to predict whether market go up or down, and of course whether you like how the stock market behaves or not, I am not the stock market, so please smash that like button. Technically, we are not in a bear market anymore, because we've been going up almost in a straight line for the last 3 months. But technical analysis doesn't take into account Fed's printing money, usually based on patterns of people's behavior. And if you don't know what technical analysis is, please check out my financial education playlist here. The main question you probably ask yourself right now, whether to sell or whether to buy. I hope you understand that sell or buy decision can be answered differently depending on your inputs. What is your financial goal? Are you a short-term or long-term player? Where did you buy if you are considering selling right now? Do you trade or invest? And if you don't know the answer to this one, I describe all different pros and cons in my video, so check it out. I will not make your life easier by answering this question whether you should buy or sell. No, you have to think about this yourself, taking into account the inputs that I will share in this video. But what I can tell you that I think personally, myself, I'm not a financial advisor, again, not accountant, CPA or anything related. So I think that market is going further down and we are just at the beginning of the second wave, and let's see why. Let's look at those main indicators. High unemployment rate. We are around 14% as of June 5th, 2020. Yes, after reopening the economy in May 2020, we saw that 2.5 million of people who found jobs, and that's great. But the United States still has the highest unemployment rate since the Great Depression in 1933. And today the Federal Reserve just confirmed that it will not go away quickly. This of course means that people will not spend as much as before. Economy is shrinking. Economy is shrinking by 6.5% in 2020 as predicted by the Fed. Production levels are low and the consumption is declining as well. Global economy is on pause. A lot of trade routes are closed today due to border closing restrictions that are implemented in different countries, in many countries all over the world. And in this situation, as you understand, you cannot simply deliver or exchange goods at all. And in the end, once the Fed stops printing money, there will be no fuel to pump the stock market. So at that point, the market will crash even harder. All those points make me think that the stock market crash is inevitable. It's just a matter of time. And it looks like this time has come today. Such a strong movement down is an indicator that it will continue to crash. But do not get my words for it. Watch it. Because I don't see future. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Just sharing my observations here so you can take those into considerations for you as well. I have many other financial education on short and long videos and some analysis videos. If you're interested in everything related to market or how to earn money, I will post each week new videos So don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye.